You can scan the QR code on the menu to download the app, Camp. Or we can go to the App Store to search the app, Camp, and download it. Connect the camera to the power adapter by the Type-C cable. And wait for the blue light goes off. It's about 15 seconds. The red light blinks. It's waiting for Wi-Fi configuration. And then let's go to the app. Add a new device. You can scan the QR code on the back of the camera and enter your router's password. Okay, and then add device. So you can give it a name, my backyard. Okay, the camera adding is succeed. You can check the video for now. Loosen the knobs on the light fixtures and rotate them out of the way to allow access to the mounting screws. Before you install the camera, please remember turn off the power switch. We have this Johnson box here. The white one is the leaf wire, also the hot wire. The black one is neutral wire. This is the ground wire. First, let's install the mounting bracket. Get the wire through the bracket and have the two posts level with the ground. Fix it with at least 2 screws. To make sure the water won't come through under the bracket. And then next, use the hook, the floodlight on the bracket. So for you, it's very convenient to connect the wires. Remember, the white wire is the leaf wire, hot wire. The black, neutral wire, and use the wire cap to fix them. The ground wire. And then we take off the hook and put all the wires on the bracket. Fix the bracket. Use the cap nuts. After finish mounting the floodlight, connect the camera to the floodlight by the Type-C cable. Easily to mount it on the next mounting stone, and easy to adjust the angle of the camera. After restoring power, the lights will turn on for 15 seconds and then off. And wait for the blue light on the camera stays on. Now the AI Floodlight cam is at your service.